Riccardo Cenedella, and I'm a maker and furniture designer. And my method and practice is lead to research technique for transform waste into functional objects. I designed this kind of very organic, very textured tables and objects, and they are made by cylindrical legs that they are then attached to circular tops. And I decide to use some custom-made bolts to join the two different parts. So I create something functional but also decorative. So once I came back to London, I started to walk into my neighborhood and I bumped into this kind of carpet roll. And when I started to research into carpet waste, I was quite surprised that it was made by plastic. So once I discovered that, I started to experiment with melting it and it became hard and everything started. So I started using the heat gun, which is like a tool that blows a very hot air into the carpet. And this allowed me to create the texture that you can see in the tables. And also this technique seems to be easier for me to shape into objects. So basically I heat the carpet, then I compress into this compression mold. And once the carpet is cooled down, then it's hard and I can cut it and make holes. And for the legs, the process is quite similar, but instead of compressing it, I made a metal pipe and I roll the carpet into this metal pipe. For me, everything started because I came from industrial city, which is Turin, which is famous for cars industry. So I got used to see very large amount of scraps and I got very impressed, like in a bad way. So I decided to use this waste to make something instead of creating something new that it will end up in landfill again. I think it's because in the previous generation, designers were very experimental with technology coming across the industrialization and everything. And now we are facing a lot of objects are being made and became trash. So I think that my generation is more thinking about how can we make from that trash something that is not harmful.